Hi, if you have trouble with parking, this might help you. You can see proper parking from several perspectives.
Parallel parking between two cars, aligned with the curb, on the right side, in reverse. Find the parking space on the right. Then with your right indicator on, move beyond that spot to be next to the parked vehicle, leaving some distance between that vehicle and your car. Stop when your right shoulder is aligned with the left outside mirror of the parked car. Shift gear into reverse and move slowly backwards while steering right until the right side headlamp of the parked car behind appears in your left outside mirror. Now steer the wheel straight and move backwards. When the front of your car can fit in the spot, steer left accordingly. Use your right outside mirror to check curb clearance. Move backwards until it is safe. If necessary, move slightly forward to position your car in the center of the space. On completing the exercise, apply handbrake. In case the position of your car is not correctly aligned, adjust your position by moving back and forth.
More perspectives, practice tasks, all in one app. Use the app, practice, let parking be a piece of cake.